Hello everyone and welcome to my channel The Professor. So today we are going to type the 23rd program. So let's get started. First of all we have to open the notepad. So we'll open it. Now we'll type the program. In this program the new thing is about the types of ordered list and unordered list. We'll start with HTML tag, head tag for heading, title tag, we'll end the title tag, we'll end the head tag. Now body tag, now ordered list. Type we will give a here you can give any random name. So I am giving here companies, the big company's name. Now unordered list type. Here we will give the type and here we will give the company name. Now we'll end the unordered list tag. We'll start the ordered list tag and we'll end the body tag and HTML tag. Now we'll save the program. With the extension HTML and in all files. Now let us check the output. So here it comes, the company name and how to use UL tag and OL tag together and types. So this is the basic output.